The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 127, effective until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Floyd, Harrison, Jackson, Jefferson, Jennings, Lawrence, Orange, Perry, Scott, and Washington, and the following counties in Kentucky: Breckenridge, Bullitt, Harding, Henry, Jefferson, Meade, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Our trip weekend, VIP camping at the Safari Tent Camp.
Oh boy, we might have another Scholastic Storms 3. Great. Spring Break Edition. SVA, SVA, SVA.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm
you
watch number
so much,
129, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Casey, Clark, Fayette, Franklin, Garrett, Harrison, Jessup,
Kelly for really hammering this.
Mercer, Nicholas,
5 high.
Scott, Washington, and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio, and
Local level, a lot of the time. I know there's
internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Flood watch in effect from midnight.
Go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 129, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the in Kentucky: Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Casey, Clark, Fayette, Franklin, Garrett, Harrison, Jessamine, Lincoln, Madison, Marion, Mercer, Nicholas, Scott, Washington, and Woodford.
exactly right. Right, what of that?
Means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Are you okay? Are you being bad?
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Finally, after a severe drought of alerts that have been happening from this enhanced risk, which is supposed to be for Scholastic Storms 3 Spring Break Edition, like what I said in the previous TOA, now, after nothing, now we're getting somewhere. Yay.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for central Harrison County in south central Indiana, southeastern Crawford County in south central Indiana, north central Meade County in central Kentucky until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Carefree Town, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Corden around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Louisville.
And he wants to meet with him in the United Kingdom at a future date.
Tornado warning. Oh boy. Another tornado warning. Oh gosh, and so recorded on, however the fuck to say it.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for central Harrison County in south central Indiana, Floyd County in south central Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Corden, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Albany, Corden, Galena, Lanesville, Crandall, Edwardsville, Breckenridge, Floyd Knobs, and Biernacle. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest...
Wait a minute. Oh, whatever.
The National Weather Service office in Louisville. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significantly damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A safe spot for now. Still some rotation nearby and some strong winds pushing through the area.
Right after there's an SVR. There it is.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harrison County in south central Indiana, south central Clark County in south central Indiana, southeastern Floyd County in south central Indiana, northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Meade County in central Kentucky Saturday night.
Oops.
Central Kentucky, northeastern Hardin County in central Kentucky, Willet County in central Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Corden to 10 miles southeast of Brandenburg to 14 miles west of Elizabethtown, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elizabethtown, St. Dennis, Pleasure Ridge Park and Valley Station around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Where's
Louisville, New Albany, Shine
There
Creek,
it is.
Audubon Park, Lineview, Parkway Village, Poplar Hills, Newburgh, and Oklahoma around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Jeffersonville, Shepherdsville, St. Regis Park, West Bucol, Watterson Park, Woodlawn Park, Seneca Gardens, Strathmore Village, Rolling Fields, Houston Acres, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Linden, Middletown, Douglas Hills, Prospect, Firstfloor, Gramer, Devondale, Windy Hills, and Anchorage.
And then into downtown Louisville, the I-65.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clark County in south central Indiana, northern
With this storm, and then it's going to transition down into rain, and we've got
Shelby County in central Kentucky, Trimble County in central Kentucky, western Henry County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, central County in central Kentucky.
including the eastern suburbs of Shelby.
At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located
Towards the
east from 8 miles north of Jeffersonville to Minor, to 6 miles south of Shepherdsville, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for the Louisville Metro. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be
we still looks like the
ready to get. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Louisville Airport reported a gust of 78 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Louisville, Jeffersonville.
There it is, 78-mile-per-hour winds for the Louisville Metro.
LaGrange, Middletown, and Douglas Hills.
There's something we got to be really careful. We got to be watching.
On the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National...
Come on.
WHAS. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clark County in south central Indiana, northern Spencer County in central Kentucky.
And cleaning.
County in central Kentucky, western Henry County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, central Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Jeffersonville to Minor Lane Heights to 6 miles south of Shepherdsville, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for the Louisville Metro. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind.
and it's causing destructive problems, and that
Of course.
Are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows.
You know what? Screw it. Oh, Jesus Christ almighty.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky.
towards Shelbyville, as well as this moves quickly off to the east, 60 to 65 miles per hour.
Northeastern Jefferson County in central Kentucky until 5:45 p.m.
Tornado warning for the city of Louisville.
At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Anchorage, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado. Southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky. The following impacts are
Central Kentucky, southwestern Henry County in central Kentucky,
northeastern Jefferson County in central Kentucky until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near long range around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Newcastle. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Will be near long range around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Oldham County and
It'll be safer to do so, and you'll be dealing with some breezy showers, and we'll move the severe weather threat farther on off to the east.
Light time. p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Anchorage, moving northeast at afternoon. Some thunderstorms.
I'm getting chills. I'm getting chills now.
Southeastern LaRue County in central Kentucky, Marion County in central Kentucky, southeastern Hart County in central Kentucky, Taylor County in central Kentucky, northwestern Casey County in central Kentucky, Adair County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Spencer County in central Kentucky, southern Woodford County in central Kentucky, Greene County in central Kentucky, Monroe County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Allen County in south central Kentucky, Washington County in central Kentucky, western Boyle County in central Kentucky, central Cumberland County in south central Kentucky, eastern Barron County in south central Kentucky, Metcalfe County in south central Kentucky until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Hold on.
At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Taylorsville to 9 miles north of Lafayette, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Damn!
Expected hazards include 60 miles.
This thing almost hits the Tennessee border.
This is a radar indicated threat.
Oh, and it's just... Ooh, it just misses me.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tompkinsville around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lawrenceburg around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Versailles and Burkesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning.
Yes, I know. It was a missed EAS. I get it, but I'm still counting it because technically I didn't fully get it, and it also hasn't really been affected that much. I think, or actually no, they haven't even continued it. It's still basically in effect because it's focus. Because right there it says it's issued for all those counties, but if I look above, there's nothing that there's nothing over there that shows. Yeah, there's nothing up above that shows that it's like continued or updated. So technically it is originally in effect. So I'm still counting that as an EAS for this compilation. Red Bull. God, no! No!
Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Now what is this for? Oh no, it's for me!
Jessamine County in central Kentucky, Nicholas County in central Kentucky, Harrison County in central Kentucky, North Central Lincoln County in central Kentucky, Eastern Mercer County in central Kentucky, Eastern Woods County in central Kentucky, Central Scott County in central Kentucky, Bourbon County in central Kentucky, Central Boyle County in central Kentucky, Madison County in central Kentucky, Fayette County in
This is for
central
all of Fayette County.
Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You can monitor all transactions, but you can save a...
Daylight time. Severe thunderstorms were located along
Oh
a
my
line
God.
extending from 9 miles northwest of Cynthiana to 8 miles southwest of Danville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Dude, it's for me. It's for me.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Richmond,
Yep.
Georgetown, Nicholasville, Winchester, Danville, Paris, Harrodsburg, Cynthiana, and
The
Lancaster.
power of the Red Bull.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And go. Thank you. Oh, hello, Jackson. And we might have another watch issue for Jackson's area. Oh my God, help me.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Garrett County in central Kentucky, Clark County in central Anderson.
Oh boy. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh God, they just expired it because a new one got issued for the same areas.